Gonna do the daiquiri. Daiquiri is one of those drinks that has gotten completely abused recently. You so often find it in a blender, poolside with some kind of syrupy fruit or kind of fruit. And unfortunately, that's not what the drink ever set out to be. It's a beautiful, simple Cuban drink named for a small town in the island. We're gonna do the classic daiquiri, and you'll see how easy it is and how delicious it can be. It really is a very simple formula. Many times when you're doing a fresh fruit drink, you want to do a simple formula of 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 on fresh lime juice and simple syrup. So what I'm doing is 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime, 3/4 of an ounce of my simple syrup, and essentially what I've done is I've created a lime sour. It's equal parts. From there, I'm going to need my rum. And all I'm doing then is I'm doubling up again. These 3/4 ounce, that's 1.5 ounces, so I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of the rum right over top of that. Just a nice light rum. And again, you've got that 2-1-1 formula, essentially 2 parts, 1 part, 1 part, in this case 1.5, 3/4, 3/4. Drink is done. Fresh, limey, clean, delicious. All we need to do now is give it a good shake. Again, if you wanted to do a version of this that was based on fruit, you could cut some fresh fruit in there and muddle them in and shake it into your drink, but leave it out of the blender if you want to make the nice, fresh, classic way. Give it a good shake. Get all those flavors integrated. Again, you can't shake it too hard when you're using good cold ice, because what I'm doing is I'm waking up. I'm getting all that effervescence. All those flavors are being blended together in the best possible way. And I don't have to worry about, sometimes you see the little chips of ice, the smaller ice that comes out of a lot of machines that isn't fully chilled. That'll start to melt. That's when you have to watch how hard you shake it. All it needs is a nice garnish. So simple flavors of fresh lime in that drink. So all you need is a little bit of lime across the top. I just did a simple wheel. Simple, easy. That's the daiquiri the way it was meant to be. Fresh and clean and delicious. Make sure you give this one a try.